The Plumbers Handbook is an Android application designed specifically for plumbing professionals, providing essential reference materials and tools to assist with various tasks in the field. This app serves as a comprehensive resource, offering information related to plumbing codes, standards, installation techniques, and best practices. Typically, the Plumber's Handbook includes features such as calculators for pipe sizing, flow rates, and pressure drops, enabling users to perform critical calculations accurately and efficiently. It often encompasses detailed diagrams and illustrations that clarify complex plumbing concepts and systems, making it easier for users to understand and apply industry standards. Additionally, the app may offer quick access to regulatory codes and guidelines, ensuring that plumbers stay compliant with local and national regulations. User-friendly navigation allows for easy searching and browsing of topics, making it convenient for both novice and experienced plumbers. Overall, the Plumber's Handbook is an invaluable tool for anyone in the plumbing industry, providing practical knowledge and resources that enhance efficiency and effectiveness in everyday plumbing tasks and projects.